EC engineering for electrical and electronics engineering. Today's experiment is load test on DC series motor. Before going to the experiment, we can see some of the main importance points of DC series motor. The DC series motors work for both high and low power and fixed and variable electrical drive. The DC series, the series winding is made up of thick wire and the winding is series to the armature. They are used in variable speed households appliances such as sewing machines, power tools, elevators, cranes and trolley. The DC series motor is started with the load only because of its high starting torque. To start the DC series motor, 2-point starter is used. DC series motor draws less current and power from the source compared to the shunt motor and compound motor. Now we can see the aim of this experiment to obtain the performance characteristic of given DC series motor by conducting load test. Apparatus required for this is DC ammeter 0 to 20 amps, MC means moving coil, DC voltmeter 0 to 300 volt MC and connecting wires. Circuit diagram. This circuit diagram we can see that a load is connected to the DC series motor and the motor is started with the 2-point starter, and we can see the field winding made up of thick wire, that is F and FF. Here we are seeing the image of DC series motor loading arrangement. The series motor should be always started with the load only. The nameplate details of the DC series motor is power equal to 5 HP, voltage is 220 volt, current is 19 amps and speed is 1500 RPM. Image of tachometer, DC voltmeter and DC ammeter. Before going to the experiment, we should see some precautions before running the experiment. DC series motor should be started and stopped with the initial load because, as told before, it has a high starting torque. Brake drum should be cooled with water when it is under load. Fuse rating calculation. To calculate the fuse rating of the machine in this experiment, we should see the current rating. The current rating will be given in the nameplate of the motor by every manufacturer. From this you can see the current rating is 19 amps. So the fuse should be used is 19 into 125%, that is 23.75 amps. So we can use the fuse up to 25 amps. Procedure. Make circuits as per the circuit diagram. Close the DPST switch and start the motor using 2-point starter. Note down the readings of ammeter, voltmeter and speed and spring balance reading on initial condition. Increase the load on in steps the motor and at each steps of load note down voltmeter, ammeter, spring balance reading and speed of the motor. Repeat the above procedure till the ammeter reads the rates current of the motor. Reduce the load on the motor to the initial loading condition. Open the DPST switch. Tabular column. Here we must find out the load voltage, load current and spring balance reading S1 and S2, that is S equal to S difference S2, and speed in RPM by tachometer and torque, input power and output power and efficiency should be calculated by using the formula. Here we are giving sample tabulation column for only one reading that is taken in our laboratory, and a sample model calculation for torque, input power, output power and efficiency done by us. Some of the calculation and the formulas of this is the circumference equal to 2 pi r, torque equal to S into 9.8 into R Newton meter, input power equal to VL into IL watts, output equal to 2 pi NT divided by 16 watts. Here N equal to speed and T equal to torque. Percentage efficiency equal to output power divided by input power into 100. To find the radius of the brake drum, here we can see the radius of the brake drum in our lab is 73 centimeter. So 73 centimeter equal to 2 into pi into r, that is r equal to 73 divided by 2 into pi, r equal to 11.618 centimeter. Therefore, to convert centimeter into meter, the value r, that is equal to 11.618 centimeter, is divided by 100. So we get 0.116 meters. Model graph, electrical characteristics. This is speed versus output power, and current versus output power, and torque versus output power, and efficiency versus output power. And model graph of mechanical characteristics is drawn between the speed and the torque. Result. Thus the load test on DC series motor was performed and its characteristics were drawn. Outcome. By conducting the load test on DC series motor, the efficiency and the following performance characteristics are performed. Application of DC series motor, that is basically DC series motor is used where the requirement is high starting torque. In early days it is used in cranes, lifts, elevators, etc. But in low power application, series DC motor, which can be also used as universal motor which works in both on AC and DC, are used like mixers and grinders, etc. Viva Voice. Here are given some of the Viva Voice questions in the practical view and also theoretical view. This will be useful for your university exams, both in practical and for theoretical exam. Apart from this, you can get some of the 2-mark question from the textbooks and study for your exam. Here first question, why a DC series motor should not be started without load? As usual, we know that the DC motor have high starting torque, so it should be started without load. Why a DC series motor has a high starting torque? Okay. Compare the resistance of the field winding of DC shunt and series motor. Fourth question, what are the application of DC series motor? And comment on the speed torque characteristics of DC motor. What is the precautions to be taken when working with the DC motor, that is series motor? Seventh question, what is the need for starter with the DC motor? Here the question is, what is the need for starter with the DC motor? Asked, but for every motor we should have a starter. That is for DC series motor we are using 2-point starter. Eighth question, how does a 2-point starter functions? Ninth, explain the shape of electrical and mechanical characteristics. 10th, what is the condition for maximum efficiency in the DC motor? Next question, what are the different losses occurring in a DC machine? And next question, how are the meter ratings selected for this experiment? 13, give some applications of DC series motor. Thank you.